How to invite friends to a page on Facebook. First of all, open the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts from friends and pages that you follow. Scroll down and tap to open any page that you like. Once you're in their profile, tap on the three dots below their profile picture. Then, tap on Invite Friends. From here, you can choose and select friends to invite them to this page. After selecting, tap on Send Invitations below. You can repeat the same steps to invite your friends to other pages on Facebook as well. This gives you more control on how you boost and spread your pages. Following these steps, you can easily invite friends to a page on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.